Viral TikTok shop affiliate strategy. In this video, I'm going to be changing your life because I'm going to be telling you a platform that is going to make your TikTok shop affiliate go viral. All right. So the software that we're talking about is Kalo Data. So Kalo Data is one of the best tools for TikTok shop analytics and insights. And the best part is that it gives you a free 7-day trial without any credit card. All right. So once we sign up, this is basically what Kalo Data looks like. All right. Now, to actually scale yourself up in the affiliate rankings, first of all, you can actually check the competitors list, okay? You can check who is competing with you on the higher rankings. And if you actually want to get ahead into all the things that it offers you, you can go category by category. So let's say I'm going to go in category and look at this. So in the fashion accessories category, you can see how much revenue is being created, how much growth, and you can check the products that are making this growth, okay? And moving on, we have shop. Now in shop as well, you can see which shops are going at the top right now in the fashion category. You can change your analytics as well. You can change your filtrations. Let's say I'm going to go with everything in general, and look at this. You can get all the analytics for different categories, and for different categories, you can actually go ahead and check which one is going to work best for you in your category, etc. So this is how you are going to scour through the TikTok shop affiliate journey. So definitely use Kalo Data for yourself and get good revenue. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.